I made over $500, and what I had to do was to just copy paste some text and paste it into absolutely free software. This works for everyone around the globe, and it's one of the easiest ways to earn money online. You don't need to have any website, social media followers for it, and you don't even have to sell anything or to do affiliate marketing. There's no previous experience required. You just have to copy paste some text. And those who stay till the end will actually make a lot of money, because I will share two websites for which you can get paid. So let us begin. I will show you by using Google and one more absolutely free tool to get paid again and again in order to make big amount of money. It will take you less than 30 minutes daily if you follow all the steps, and in case PayPal is not available in your country, then I will show other steps to choose for payments such as Bitcoin, Payoneer, etc. Anyways, let's begin with step number 1, which is to come over to google.com. Step number 2 is to come to Google News. This is the place where you can find the latest news, latest articles and all the topics around the world. As the name tells that it's a digital newspaper, we can find news about everything such as politics, business, technology, science, whatever you can think of, you can find it on this website. You must be thinking, how will this actually make me money? Stay tuned to know how this actually works. You can see here that you have lots of different topics. You can find news from where, but our main focus will be on business, technology, sports, science and health. So you can see if I select here this health category, this will give me all the latest articles and news related to health. So let's scroll and find something interesting. So maybe 7 habits that impact your brain health. It's a really good article that people would click on. So what you need to do, that you need to open this article up or any other one that you find interesting. Open it up and don't worry, you will not have to write articles or sell anything. It's not also related to CPM marketing or affiliate marketing. So once the articles open up, then you can just copy some text from the article, and then we need to proceed to step number 3, which is Quillbot. You need to paste the article that you copied from Google News, and Quillbot will rewrite that article for you, and you can have that entire article in your own words, which means that it becomes completely unique and you can use it for your own purposes. And you will be using that rewritten article in 2 other websites, which I'm going to share with you. And some of them are going to pay you $1 per word. And you can see that sometimes these articles have a lot of words and the rest you can do the math. Anyways, you can see that it's writing it with all the synonyms. Now you can copy that article and use that in another free website that will pay you for it. First website that we will be using is eatingwell.com. In here you can submit your own articles and get paid. Instead, a lot of hard work to write one article in one day, you can use Google News and Spinbot to write them up for you, which is unique and of high quality. And these guys will pay you up to $1 per word. And let's see that if you have that article that has around 1,000 words, you can think that you can be paid $1,000, and it took you less than 30 minutes to earn it. Now, how do we actually submit article? Then here on this page, you need to scroll a little bit down until you find the section with their contact info. Just copy their email address and head over to Gmail and send them an email. The subject should be article submission, and just attach the file with your own article written with Quillbot, and then just send them. And once they receive it, they will review it and accept it. If they like it, they ask you for your preferred payment method. You have many opportunities because Google News is being updated daily. Just copy them, change them with Quillbot and paste them in any Word document or Google Doc and share them with the website share with you. The second website where you can share your article is daily.jester.org. You can come over to their article submission details and follow it accordingly. However, these guys will pay you a little less, but it's still a good one, but it's pretty good. Start to earn some extra income. One thing about this website that is they will ask you for 2,000 words article, and then they will pay you 31 cents per word. It's not much like the previous website, but 31 cents average is not bad at all, because it will quickly add up. The more article you submit on these websites, the more money you will be able to make. Of course, not every article will get accepted, but only if one article gets accepted, then it is much, and you don't have to wait around for anything. You can just get started with it immediately with all these free resources. So let's summarize this up. Go over to Google, Go to Google News, select your favorite topic, then select the article topic, open it up and paste it on Quillbot and then submit it. Hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up.